What is up, Pyros? It is raining. I'd like to give this shout out to Jerry Freeman. Thank you. Without him, this would not be happening right this second. But, Sacred Pyros. I'd like to give him a shout out. Grub 808. I'd like to give him a shout out. Pyro Boy. Pyro Universe. Boom in the Sky. Red Beard. Barbecue Rando. Yeah, and Eric McGuire. And there's a bunch of new subs too. But nonetheless, it's really coming down now, so let's get it going before it's too fucking late. There's some thunder for the rain. Like, comment, subscribe. Woo wee! And Pyro PD promotion code. You could save it at Blazing Glory Fireworks. You could save money at Red Beard Fireworks. You could save it at Nightmare Crafters. Nightmare Crafters 10% promotion code. Red Beard Fireworks promotion code. Save 10%. Blazing Glory Fireworks. There's a lot of promotion codes on that one. It's like you'd have talked to me personally, and when you go there, and I'd hook you the fuck up. Put it that way, because it's more than just 10%. All right, Pyros. Like I said before, share with your friends. Let's try to get this word out. Oh, and I'm gonna do something even more special because this is going a little slow for my taste. I mean, probably not for my wife, but a little slow for me. But as soon as we get to 10 people that purchase from Nightmare Crafters, there will be a special drawing just for you 10. Yes. So, like I said, the first 10 purchases she sells something, she's going to light something off. Well, after she lights something off, I'm going to send, out of them 10, I'm going to make a fucking drawing. And one of you are going to win some free merchandise and free pyro. Free pyro. That's all I'll say. So, that being said, get you some. Peace out, Pyros. Be safe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. If you do, record it.